What's in the box? This is from HLJ Japan. There was a time when I was ordering so much stuff from HLJ Japan that I wouldn't know what was in the box, but I have a fair idea today because I had to pay the customs and tax on this parcel, and I don't order that much from HLJ Japan anymore. So there we go, the Melusine from Maschinen Krieger. I was advised that this was going on sale by Grant Maybury, so since how I didn't spend a lot of money at the American Nationals, I decided to splash out and get an early start on the Plastic Posse group build for next year. Nice. This looks like a different plastic than the other Maschinen Kriegers I've built. Oh, and you got a little pin. 40th anniversary. Oh, it goes in here. I don't know. Should I wear that pin? No one will have a clue what it is. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sprues, and a sprue of clear pieces, and a nice booklet with how many steps? Okay, it doesn't say how many steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages. So if you did a page a day, that'd be 6 days. Here we go. Uh-oh. That's the sound of the police.